Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum for class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing great. Students, I'm your teacher Miss Parveen and this is lecture number 8 of your second semester. Students, in previous lectures we have discussed about the chapter number 5, Ambassador's Disguise, and we have also solve the exercise of this chapter. But now students, the remaining part of exercise we will solve today. Page number 57, part C, learning about language. Learning about language. Here is a verb. Students, in previous lecture, have you remembered that we have learned about parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech, and first one is noun, which we have already discussed. But here is a verb. Verb is the third part of speech. And what is verb? Students, our talk, walk, our works, these are all verb. And the define of this word is action words are called verbs. Action words are called verbs, like talking, walking, reading and writing. Students, in this picture you can say that here is a boy who is sitting on the fence. Here is a boy who is sitting on the fence. So, which work is he doing? Which work is he doing? Students, he is sitting. So, sitting is a verb. Understand? Sitting is a verb because we say that action words are called verbs. So sitting is an action. We can say sitting is a verb. In the next picture, the bird is flying. The bird is flying. And students, what is the verb in this sentence? Flying is a verb because flying is also an action word. The bird is flying, so flying is verb. Now students, this is a task for you. You will do it on your books. Underline the verbs in the following. Underline the verbs in the following. Students, as you know that verbs are the action words, so complete this task. Let's see. Part C, learning about language verbs. Once upon a time, there was a crocodile who lived in the river. Once upon a time, there was a crocodile who lived in the river. One day, he was swimming along in the warm water. He felt very hungry that morning and wanted some food. Suddenly he saw a boy on the bank. The boy was fishing in the stream and didn't see the crocodile. The crocodile crept towards the boy. Students, this is a paragraph and you will find the verbs from this paragraph. Underline the verbs and I will check it. So hurry up students, open your books and find out the verbs. Now page number 58 and 59 students, here is part D, which you will do on your book with the help of notes. And next part E, composition. Students, part E composition you will learn from the notes carefully. If you have any confusion about the lecture, about the verb or any topic in this lecture, you can ask from me. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.